for a stranger in a strange town. Gold, greed and revenge are all that count. Next Sunday at 11:10, Django Kill.
Sure don't look like him.
On BBC Two.
Here is the result of the snooker match that we were showing earlier this evening. Peter Ebdon beat Darren Morgan 6 frames to 4. Don't forget, there's more from the Snooker Masters tomorrow afternoon at 2:10, right here on BBC Two. A night of education with the Learning Zone in just under 10 minutes. First on BBC Two, a late look at the weather with Suzanne Charlton.
Hello. A Sunday has turned out to be a really unusually cold day in parts of the Middle East. In fact, first thing in the morning, the temperature in Kuwait was actually right down to freezing, and this could well be a new record. +2 was the lowest I could find in the record books up to Sunday morning. The average minimum temperature is near about 10.5 Celsius. And that cold weather remaining over the next few nights. The blue colours here showing us where there could well be some frost still around overnight and indeed in the next 2 or 3 nights as well. Of course, during the daytime those temperatures will lift, but they'll still be on the cool side for this part of the world. And some more frosty weather to come over many eastern and central regions of Europe, as well as over many parts of England and Wales tonight. In the next few nights here we will see some changes as we start to see some milder weather pushing its way in towards the northwest corner of the continent in particular and over the British Isles, bringing us at least a couple of frost-free nights. In the east, it's certainly cold enough for snow, and in fact this weather system down in the eastern Mediterranean also brought some heavy and thundery showers to Cyprus, bringing over half an inch of rain to Larnaca and keeping temperatures at a rather cool 14 and 15 Celsius. North of this, it was snow that was falling close into that low pressure area, particularly over the high ground and the northern coastal areas of Turkey. In the next couple of days there'll be further snow in this area, though the high pressure ridge will topple eastwards, bringing clear skies. We're also going to see some showers developing in towards the western basin of the Mediterranean, but the main thrust of the weather fronts further northwards across much of the British Isles and in towards the north of the continent and Scandinavia. As far as Monday's concerned, though, there'll still be a few showers left in the eastern Mediterranean and some showers over eastern Spain towards the Balearics and in towards the southern regions of France. Further northwards, there'll be bright spells of weather, but increasing amounts of cloud and rain rolling in from the Atlantic. In fact, the next weather system is already overnight pushing some further clouds, some strengthening southwesterly winds and some rain in across the north and west of Scotland, and by morning probably into parts of Northern Ireland as well. Here temperatures lifting, but it will remain frosty throughout the night over many parts of England and Wales, quite a sharp frost in inland areas. The high pressure ridge then really in the south, this weather front moving in. You can see the number of isobars here, the white lines, the tighter they are together, of course, the stronger the wind flow. And that strong run of winds continuing for a couple of days, and indeed another big storm by the look of it brewing up, ready for Thursday and Friday. As far as Monday is concerned, the brightest weather over the southern and southeastern parts of England, with the cloud and rain in the north, maybe giving a little snow for a time in parts of Scotland. That main region of cloudy, wetter weather heading slowly southwards through the afternoon. And the winds really very strong indeed, quite a stormy day coming up in the north.